Isa sa mga pangarap ni Sofia Trazona, mangyayari na. Para sa kabuuang ulat, alamin natin ang buong detalye.
Hey, I'm back, but today is surgery day. I just want to say thank you, lalong-lalo na kay Andre for taking care of this body. Sobrang, this is so surreal. I've been dreaming of this for how many years now, and finally I have the courage to do it. Thank you. Thank you din to Eliora for giving me the chance to do this. Sobrang daming nag-reach out actually para gawin namin to. But I chose Eliora kasi it's the most I'm comfortable with, lalo with Dr. Bina. To you, Sophia. Sobrang proud ako sa'yo. I'm so proud of you, and I congratulate you for honoring your womanhood. I'm so happy for you, Mom. Baka na pa to in the future. Ang galing-galing mo. You've been through so much. You and Andre have been through so much. I have to go na dahil anong oras na. But, ayun. Dami ko na nang naiyak kagabi. So, yun lang. I'm just so happy. And thank you for following along with my journey. I hope that I'm also making you proud. Mwah.